So, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel at first and share the videos. Yesterday I made a video for you, and I want to check this today if I'm right or wrong, if I'm lying to you or give you the true information. Let's start now. Let's look. This was the video yesterday. You see here the blue line clear in a negative trend. So the price was here 19,700, and I said to you the price will go here to the downside. Let's look if this was true. Yeah, and this trend you can see we test this will go to these levels here. So you can see clear. I said to you the price will go here to the downside. This is happening today. Yeah, let's make the same. Okay, you can look to this video if you want more information. Let's look to the price today of the Bitcoin price. You can see yesterday 19,700 or 800, today $1,000 lower. That means if you buy or sell here Bitcoin price with margin and say, okay, um, take here 3 times more margin, yeah, then with this $1,000 you earn $3,000. Yeah, one day $3,000. So with this info in the free channel, I I give also more information in the membership levels, so it is possible to make here cash. So let's look more inside. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. So we are staying here at these levels. You can see the price is going here to the downside. Let's look in the 1 hour chart or 30 minutes chart. This is not, or how can I describe this? This is not much making by the people or by the YouTube channels. Yeah, they're not looking so much um, in the 30 minutes chart or 1 hour chart because this is for their different or difficult to predict. Yeah, but we can show here in the 30 minutes chart or in the 1 minute chart. We can also look here. That's no problem for us to give here a prediction. If I look to this here, then you can see we are here at the 18 level, 19 level. So we are here in our boat situation. So it is possible that the price make a retest at these levels here. But even if we make this retest, this is negative. This is a spike to the downside. That means the price will go more to the downside. And it is possible that we reach in the next day, days, level of 18,000 or 17,000. The prediction was 17,500. Let's look. So, and you can see this is not a place in which we can stay. The next stop is here 17,800, 17,600. Yeah. The reason why we have to reach this is we have to make a retest of this. So I think if I look to the whole structure here, then I would expect something like that. The price is going to these levels and we're going like this on this place. Yeah, so sideways movement and then the big fall and drop is coming to the downside and we'll start here at, I would say 20th of September because the at 20th of September the Fed meeting is coming, and so uh, they I think they will rise the interest rates. Yeah, so I think if this is happening, then the Bitcoin price and the gold price and so on they will crash here to the downside, and we will reach here new lows. Yeah, for members who want here exclusive the end target of Bitcoin, yeah, so that you can short the Bitcoin price, visit the or become a member of the Bitcoin club, or you can request in the Wolf exclusive club to find out the end target. Yeah, I think it's huge. Yeah, if you see the opportunity here, look here. If you short this at 48,000, yeah, and you know here is coming very big to the downside. Look, 16,000 margin trading, 3 or 4 or 5, yeah, then you have the possibility here to make in 1 April, yeah, let's say in 1 month you have the possibility here to make here nearly 15 or $20,000. Yeah. So let's look more inside here. So we're looking here. So we have to say here, this is a weak structure. You can see we broke here very clear to the downside. That means the maximum was what possible is. Yeah? The maximum what the whales, what they can manipulate is, if the price drops to the downside, they can make here a retest maybe at 20,000. Why? Because all the people see that the price is going to this down levels, yeah, low levels. And I predict to you, yeah, 17,000, blah, blah, yeah. Then we are staying here and you think, okay, the Bitcoin price will go more to the downside. It is also true, yes. Now the whales come on in play, yeah. They manipulate the price. That means the price is here on these levels and they stretch this point to these levels because this is the key level, and more than this I don't think that the Bitcoin price will go, yeah, because you can see this is clear our base, and this is a strong resistance, yeah. This is very clear defined, it's the resistance. So the maximum was what possible is they could take the price from this to this. This is their last action, yeah. We have also here an uptrend. You can see both crossing here, and so I think it is maybe 30-40% possible that they can make a last retest here, yeah, down to this area and to the downside. Makes sense, yes, makes sense. But the current situation shows even this is not possible. But we have to be here very careful so that we say, okay, 40% this, 60% we fall out of range here. But I'm honest to you, we have to look, this is the third time, this is the fourth time, this is very weak. Yeah, if you look to the big picture, then you understand this. Here we said, if you look here, we already tested here. So we have not so much, I would say 1, 2, 3. We could get here a retest, and then we have to decide after this retest, will the price go very hard to the upside? We have here signs. Yeah? They could take the price from 17,000 to 20,000 to eliminate the shorts, and after that the price will drop here to the downside. Makes sense because this is the second, this is the third area. So this is, let's look. Yeah, 30% I think we could see here. 60% we will go directly to the downside. Yeah, we are too early to break down, but let's see. This level decides. Have a nice day.